delivers real value. Simple, fast, reliable. Choosing a retail management system to fit your needs can be overwhelming, and managing the resistance that new software changes bring can be intimidating. Complete with all the essentials for a fully functional site, One Retail is designed to make sales transaction easy to set up, manage, and process for any retail business. It is built on the premise that every retail business is unique and therefore is fully capable of being customized to fit specific operational needs. It is easy to use, fast to deploy, and highly reliable. In this video, you will see how easy it is to do a store setup, a user setup, and an item setup. After which, I will show you how easy it is to perform a sale. Let's get started. One Retail is simple. It comes with a POS program and a site manager where you can control and set up the POS according to your needs. For the store, user, and item setup, we utilize the site manager. While in performing transactions, the POS handle all this. Therefore, to set up a new store, we go to the site manager. Log into your account and we're halfway there. Create a new store by clicking New Store. The description would act like the name of your store, so pick a name that's relevant and you can easily search for it later on. Pick a currency you would use throughout the store and on all terminals. Lastly, copy from, clones the rules and you've created from previous stores. Rules on terminals, settings, allowed payment types, price groups, income and expense accounts, statement settings, price and tax calculations, hospitality types, menu types, tender declaration, and suspended transactions. The ease of store setup facilitates expansions that make setting up new store a breeze. It is more than convenient to roll out your existing core technology to new stores and make a franchise much more attractive. Next on the list is a user setup. We can create user groups to differentiate access rights at user level, tables, forms, and reports. Under the new users, we can also opt to choose if the user is a POS user or a site manager user. To create a new user, we input the name, login name, and a predetermined password they can change once they log in. Next, we assign them to a user group preset. And we're done! You can further edit the limit access for each user under this option. One Retail boasts a role-based access and therefore ensures that the user can only access the data they need and perform only the tasks assigned to them. It is very flexible to meet needs of individual users, user groups, or terminal. Now we move on to the item setup. This is equally easy as the previous setup we did. We can start with clicking the retail menu and click the retail items tab. Here we can find numerous options for our retail items, group, and department. But for the setup, we will click on the new retail item tab. The description here serves as the name of the item we are to create. Next, we choose a predefined retail group, may it be under electronics, clothing, food and beverage, furniture, and other categories. Choose the barcode setup if it would depend on price, quantity, or weight. And lastly, we input the base price. Click OK and then again, we're done. To then perform a sale is easy as the easiness of setup and use eliminates long training hours and errors. The speed of operation lets you focus on generating profits for your business without having to worry about setup and infrastructure. Also, should there be any problems such as loss of connection, the data integrity in the POS system is not compromised. Sales are unaffected and synchronization is achieved when connection is re-established. There is also a possibility to solve problems remotely so your staff can continue with their work unhindered. One Retail is a powerful tool for any modern retail and hospitality business. It possesses an easy-to-use logical graphical interface and ensures good connectivity with consistent operating speed, along with its rich, flexible features and reliable, cost-effective system. One Retail is all the essentials you need for your current and future retail industry requirements. For more information on how One Retail can benefit you and your business, please visit www.infosoft.com.ph.